How to fix YouTube error 400 in Android. So if you want to fix YouTube error 400 in Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you just need to go for the upper right, which has that search. Under your search, you need to search for date and time. Under date and time, you just need to go and set up your network provided time. So if you have not set the network provided time, or if you have not set the automatic time, then you might find some kind of problems. So just go and toggle on the set time automatically option. And once you've turned on the option, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go back and open up your settings again. And you just need to scroll down and go for apps. Under your apps, you need to go for see all apps and search for YouTube. Once you've searched for YouTube, now you need to scroll down and go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Or you can also go for clear storage if you remember your login information. Once you've done, you need to restart your device. Once you've restarted, you can go back and you can open up your YouTube and you will fix that problem. So that's how you can fix YouTube error 400 in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.